Hi all, welcome to another episode of kamaltechvlog. So this is the part 2 of the gadgets and normal wires which you can purchase from Amazon for your daily use. And we do have some of the gadgets over here also in this part, and this is around from 500 to 700 range in total, and some are even cheaper, very cheaper than that also. So let's not waste any time and let's go ahead and start this video. So as you can see, the first device, it's just not a kit device also, it's nothing but a normal holder, and it is made in China for sure. So it's nothing but just wipe the surface, take the plug out, and you can connect your junction box and all that over there. Let me show you the inside view of this. This is a packed piece, but I do have an open piece. So you're supposed, this is the glue over here. You can just attach it to one of the sides, attach the other portion like this, and you can just stick it on a table just like this. You can stick it on a table, and the other side will be stuck to the junction box. I'll just show you an example. Like example, this is the mobile. You go ahead and stick it one side over here and the other side over here, and you can stick it down over there. It's as simple as that. I would just put a photo over here if you can see that in the video. So that's how I have connected my junction box. So it's as simple as that. This is the first device, and the second device is the interesting one. It's not a device, it's just a connector. If you see this is a 3/4 ring to 1/4 ring. That is, you will be asking what the hell is he telling about. Okay, when you have a tripod or anything like that which you use for shooting or to make your TikTok, Instagram videos or anything, some of them they come with a 3/4 ring. This is a converter which can convert that to 1/4, where you can connect most of your devices on it. For example, let me see if I have anything over here to connect and show. Okay, like example, for tripod you do have a ring over here which can be connected simply by using this. It's as simple as that. So one side will go on the tripod, the other side ring will be here, as you can see that. So this is the tripod side and this is the ring side. And okay, I forgot to tell you the cost of this. This comes for a pack of 5 for 200 rupees only. So it's very cheap. And this one will be coming for a pack of 6 or something for 200, the same price. The next one is a very interesting one. This is nothing but a RJ45. That's the LAN cable to LAN cable adapter. Like example, you have got a 10-meter LAN cable and that's not enough for you, and you want to extend it, but you don't want to discard the cable. In that case, you can get another 15-meter cable and connect one end over here where the 10 meters finishes, and the other end over here. A 15-meter starts from there, and the connection will be crystal clear on this. And this one came in a pack of 2 or 3. I'm not sure, I don't remember. And it's cat 5, I think. So it's cat 5 or cat 6 adapter, and this one came in a pack of 2 to 3 for just 200 rupees. It's 199. So this is another useful daily gadget which you can use. Okay, this one is nothing but a normal USB cable. It's hardened just like the other wire, and this also from Kanget. So this is another product of theirs, from USB A to micro USB for small devices, charging like a mini fan or anything like that. For that it is useful. Now let's go for this. This is nothing but the same USB adapter which we had that time, but this is the longer version of that. As you can see, this one is a really huge one. So this has 4 USBs over here, and it's 3.0 hub. It's written over here, it's 3.0 hub. Super fast. And this one is about 1 meter wire over here. It's very long for usage, and it can also charge stuff also for you. You can connect this directly to a plug also and go ahead and charge stuff. And plus, this is very useful wherever you go. And this is also lightweight, but it's just big. That's the only thing. And this one is about 300 rupees on Amazon. 390, no, 390 or just 325 actually, to be exact. This one, which I bought on Amazon. So let's keep this also aside. Okay. Now we are going to this device. I have not unboxed it only once, but I've not used it. This is nothing but a HDTV splitter. That is, it can split 1 into 2 or 1 into 4. But let me see what model we have got over here. Under this box, if you see we are unboxing, there's a H splitter. You open this mode, there's a cover with the charger for it. And if I'm not wrong, it's a 12-watt normal charger. And there's a pamphlet inside, which we are not even going to see. So let's close this box and keep it aside. This one I got for 400, but this is not from Amazon. I got it at an offline store. So this is an HDMI splitter. It's 1 into 2 one. So if you see here, here's the power cable where it goes in. This power cable will go in here. Here is the HDMI input, and here is the splitter. So 2 HDMI outputs. Okay, and that's one side input from one of the HDMI devices, like from your computer. You can connect one side and connect it to 2 different monitors. It's as simple as that. So this one came for around 400, as I told you. So this also within 500, but this is an expensive one. If you see this both, you'll think it's the same HDMI thing, but there's a difference. This is a HDMI switch, and it is controlled by a remote also, which I do have. I am just not showing it now. And this has a DC input. This is the output of a HDMI, which goes out to your TV or anything. And this is a selector, and there are 3 inputs. That is, you can connect a set-top box, you can connect a different device also, like you can connect your Fire Stick, you can connect your Miracast, or any other devices, whichever. You can connect a computer. So 3 different devices, and you can select which device to watch by this or by a remote, whichever you want. Over here, there's one more option over here. It's an IR control by which you can use a remote over here, or else you can use it manually also. It works on that also. So in case you have a TV and you're wondering how to go ahead and connect this, it needs a power source and everything, how we can connect these, that time these type of things work, come in control, because every TV has a USB port where you can connect this, and the power sources will be there where you can connect it to this. As simple as that. You don't need a separate thing for that. So these are some of the devices, and this one, as I didn't tell you the price, it's a 3-in-1 switch. So this charges about 800 to 1200 depending on the market price, but this one is good. So in the next video, I'll be comparing this, and I'll be telling you the pros and cons of these together. Okay, so let's go to camera 1 now. So as I told you, these are some more devices which I got. They are more than 5 devices, but they were very useful, and some of them were just connectors. They are very useful in a daily use. Let it be if you are making a video, or if you're watching TV, or anything you do, these devices come into play. Whether you're even charging your phone, these devices do come into play for that. So if you did like this video, please do like and subscribe for the channel. And until next time, this is Kamal, and you're watching Kamal Tech Vlog, and you have a wonderful day ahead.